Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hakka people started laying claim to Pingdong County's Checheng Township way back in the Ming Dynasty. Allegedly the biggest temple of its kind, the Fuan Temple in Checheng is filled with Hakka culture. Visitors are invited to check out the area's hot springs, the Sejong Creek, and traditional Hakka villages in Baoli and Tungpu.
客家人在屏东县车城乡开垦的历史最早可追溯到明朝。据说全台最大的土地公庙车城福安宫，它的旧名叫做敬圣亭，充满了客家色彩。除了四重溪发展成为温泉观光区，保利及同埔至今还是典型的客家庄。Hello everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello 大家好，我係阿邊哥 Leo。Hello
大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And today we're going to take you to a town known as Checheng in Pingdong, and it's a place that you would pass by every time you go to Kending. And what's really cool about this place is when you drive through the streets, you're going to see loads of bags of just stuff in it. And the first time when I went there, I had no idea what it was. I thought it was oranges. 第一次看到在这个马路边呢卖一袋一袋的东西，我以为呢是橘子，你知道吗？可是事实上它不是，它是洋葱。
嘿，嗰邊葱條啊，當有名又當好食。
哦，這葱條就是洋葱。Oh, okay, so that's how you say onions in Hakka. They also have a hot spring there called 四重溪温泉，好像也在那附近嘛，對不對？
錯，舊大家講，因為講一個天名去嚇，一個四重溪温泉。
西重溪温泉 is hot springs, and this hot springs, which is really well known here in Taiwan, in southern Taiwan, it's called 四重溪。
西重溪。
Okay, so aside from onions and hot springs, there's one more thing that's famous around Checheng, and it's the duck egg.
錯啊，嗰邊個嘅鳳燕鴨卵嚇，糖果唔可以當鹹。
還有食過，就是不是很鹹，
對，不會很鹹。
Ham is salty, it's not as salty. 那這個紅人鴨蛋怎麼說？
鳳燕鴨卵。
卵。It's not easy to pronounce, but that's how you say it in Hakka. So go try it out. The onions, the hot springs, and the duck's egg. Let's review some of these terms. 洋葱。
葱條。
四重溪温泉 the 四重溪 hot springs.
西重溪温泉
and the duck's egg 紅人鴨蛋
鳳燕鴨卵
Okay, there you go. That's an introduction to Checheng in Pingdong县, and that does it for today's talk about Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.